What is carbon neutrality?
See, this carbon dioxide is what carbon, when we say, we basically mean carbon dioxide in our terms today, because carbon is a solid. It cannot go to the atmosphere unless and until you burn it and convert it into CO2. Why it is important? Because if you burn a carbon which is C, and when you are burning it in air, don't use the nitrogen but the oxygen. This is a combustion process. Carbon plus oxygen will burn to produce CO2 and energy. I think we are not interested in the CO2. This is why we are releasing to the atmosphere. The energy is what we are interested in. And where is the energy coming into picture? For everything we need energy. For example, I started with giving an example of when we start using my brush and toothpaste. The polymer which goes into the brush requires you to operate it at 300 degrees centigrade and 300 bar. Now, if you have to go to 300 degrees centigrade, what do you need? You need energy. You need to burn the fossil fuel, which basically can go to that kind of high temperature. When we talk about 300 bar, it basically means we need compressors. Compressors would need electricity, and electricity will again come from burning the same fossil fuel. So you see, the challenge is not the CO2 part, but the challenge is that our demand or our greed for new materials every second, every minute has increased so much that we are consuming lot more energy than what typically we used to consume, say, 100 years back.